Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So I'm excited to announce a brand new revolutionary YouTube series called 5 in 5. One that every Wednesday I'll be sharing 5 transformative decluttering tips in just 5 minutes. And during each 5-minute video, you'll learn practical strategies to streamline your home and reclaim your life from clutter. So from organizing your closet to simplifying your digital life, each 5-minute episode offers quick and effective solutions to help you live with more peace, more freedom, and also more abundance. So make sure you subscribe now and hit that notify button just as a reminder to listen every Wednesday for the new tips. And this will help you embark on your journey to declutter, simplify, and thrive. So take 5 minutes right now to listen. So this is our first week called 5 in 5. It's a YouTube series. Establish a daily decluttering routine. You'll be so glad you did. So the first one is to make your bed every day as soon as you get up. And believe it or not, something as simple as making your bed is one of the most powerful life lessons because it inspires positive change. And those micro habits practice each day, just 3 to 5 minutes, but they set the tone for the day and for the week. Number 2 is to spend 5 minutes each day decluttering one small area of your home that bothers you. We all have these. So it could be a junk drawer, it could be a dresser drawer, a shelf in the refrigerator. When you take just 5 minutes to declutter that area, it frees up space in your mind because it's not on that constant to-do list, because that continues to bear down on you. But once you declutter that, it's going to be gone. And number 3 is to handle items once instead of putting it down temporarily. So we all are guilty of this. So when you think about it, put it down immediately or put things away immediately where it belongs. So an example of this might be your clothing. So when you take off your clothes at night, either hang them up or put them in the laundry. It's really just that easy. And get in the habit of dealing with it immediately rather than letting them pile up on a chair or on the floor. Another one is mail. So have a system in your life where you know exactly what to do with that mail, whether it's trash, whether it needs to be paid, or whether it's an important document that needs to be filed. And number 4 is clear your desk or your workspace each day at the end of the day to give you that fresh start in the morning. So there's nothing better than starting off your day with a clean desk. You can get off to a good start because it helps you focus better when you're organized and whatever you have to get done. You're not going to be wasting time cleaning up or clearing out that area first. And number 5 is to establish a nightly routine to tidying up those common areas before bed. So just like a 5-minute morning routine, set a 5-minute evening routine. You'll sleep better and knowing that when you wake up, everything will be neat and organized. So an example of that might be your nightstand. It might be your countertop in the kitchen. It might be the dishes that were left in the sink. Make sure that you take care of these because that will help you wake up in the morning refreshed and knowing you don't have to go deal with that. So I hope that you find these 5 tips in 5 minutes helpful. I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday where I will be talking about weekly decluttering tasks.